The humble sneeze, an involuntary reflex that expels air, mucus, and tiny droplets from the nose and mouth, is a fascinating phenomenon that reveals the remarkable physics at play in our bodies. When an irritant triggers the sneeze reflex, the diaphragm, a large muscle below the lungs, contracts abruptly. This sudden contraction generates tremendous pressure within the lungs. Simultaneously, the muscles in the abdomen tense up, further increasing the pressure. With the pressure building, the epiglottis, a flap of cartilage at the base of the tongue, flips down to block the airway. This prevents food or liquids from being ejected during the sneeze. The accumulated pressure in the lungs forces air and mucus through the narrow nasal passages and out of the nose. The speed of the expelled air can reach up to 100 miles per hour, carrying with it a cloud of tiny droplets. These droplets, containing mucus and potentially pathogens, can travel up to 6 feet from the sneezer's nose. This is why it's crucial to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze to prevent the spread of germs. The force of the sneeze can also cause the eyes to involuntarily close. This reflex serves to protect the eyes from the expulsion of mucus and droplets. Interestingly, the physics of a sneeze are not limited to humans. Other animals, such as dogs and cats, also sneeze to clear their nasal passages. However, the speed and force of their sneezes vary depending on their size and anatomy. In conclusion, the sneeze is an intriguing and essential physiological response that demonstrates the intricate interplay of physics and biology in our bodies. Understanding this physics gives us insights into our own health and the importance of hygiene practices.